Hi, my name is Janani Ravi and welcome to this course on Expediting Deep Learning with Transfer Learning. A little about myself. I have a master's degree in electrical engineering from Stanford and have worked at companies such as Microsoft, Google, and Flipkart. At Google, I was one of the first engineers working on real-time collaborative editing in Google Docs, and I hold 4 patents for its underlying technologies. I currently work on my own startup, Lunicorn, a studio for high-quality video content. Transfer learning refers to the reuse of a trained machine learning model for a similar problem, keeping the model architecture unchanged but potentially altering the model suites. In this course, you will gain the ability to identify the right approach to transfer learning and implement it using PyTorch. First, you will learn how different forms of transfer learning, such as inductive, transductive, and unsupervised transfer learning, can be applied to different combinations of source and target domains. Next, you will discover how transfer learning solutions leverage the fact that lower layers of pre-trained models typically extract feature information and are data-specific, while later layers tend to be more problem-specific. Finally, you will explore how to design and implement the correct strategy for freezing and fine-tuning the appropriate layers of your pre-trained model. You will round out the course by seeing the various powerful architectures that are made available in pre-trained form in PyTorch's suite of transfer learning solutions. When you're finished with this course, you will have the skills and knowledge to choose the right transfer learning approach to your specific problem and design and implement it using PyTorch.